Hello guys, in this video we are going to set up our Sublime text editor for working with React and Laravel. So let's get started. We are going to cover it in 3 steps. So first we are going to install the general packages, then for React, and finally for Laravel. You need to have package control installed. If you do not have it, go to tools, command palette and search for package control and install it. Then you'll be able to download all the other packages. After you install the package control, once again open the command palette and enter install package. This will open Sublime's package installer, from which you can install all the other packages. So materialize. This is a theme for Sublime. It changes the look and feel of the Sublime text editor, a file icon. What this package does is it changes the look of icons for directory or files. Likewise, emmet is simply HTML autocomplete package. Sidebar enhancement. This adds or enhances the options available to you while right clicking on the sidebar. So as you can see, you could refresh the project or add a new file. Native Sublime text editor did not have this feature. Sublime linter on its own is not able to do anything, but when you install language specific linter like ESLint for JavaScript and Sublime linter for PHP, it shows if you have any errors in your code script. Next one on the list is pretty JSON. I think everybody in their lifetime will work with JSON, so it's better to install this package. It's really handy. Let me show you an example what it is capable of. So I have this JSON file. Right now it's kind of messy, and using the pretty JSON I will format this. Open the command palette, pretty JSON, format JSON lines. Okay, boom, and now the JSON is formatted. If you find opening the command palette and entering and pressing the key somewhat sluggish, you could set up key bindings for it, like I have. When I press Ctrl Alt M, it minifies the JSON, and when I press Ctrl Alt J, it expands the minified JSON into a proper JSON. I'll add the key bindings to a Git repo and I'll link it below. So let's continue. The next one on the list is Terminus. Terminus is the package. I love this one. This adds the terminal feature for Sublime text editor. Let me open it up. Boom. As you can see, terminal integrated within Sublime text editor. Pretty neat, right? So in order to have this integrated to your Sublime text editor, go to command palette, package install, search for Terminus. I have already installed it, so it's not visible. If you have not installed it, install it, and you can set up key bindings for it as I have. When I press Ctrl plus, I don't know what you call this symbol, backtick, I think. Ctrl plus backtick, it opens up the terminal within Sublime text editor. It's really handy. So let me show you the key bindings for it. Preferences, key bindings. This one is the JSON key bindings. No, this one is just prettier. Okay, I'm sorry, my bad. This one is for the Terminus key binding. When I press Ctrl plus backtick, it toggles the Terminus panel. Okay, I'll share this key binding with you guys. Similarly, you can also modify the themes for your Terminus. Open Control Command Panel, Terminus theme, select theme, and you can select any theme you like from there are lots of themes. Okay, we covered this. And the last one for general package is git gutter. This is something similar to git length in VS Code. What this does is shows you the person who committed on a file or who changed it, something like that. So let's take an example. Let's go apt controllers. It's not working here. How come? Let's try changing here. Okay, so this is the linting error. This is not the git gutter.